Hello everybody. So here I got the C7 Corvette, and this car used to be red, so I wrapped it turquoise. And so today I'm gonna talk about one of the cool things about knifeless tape. So one thing that gotta be really careful is not cutting the paint. So I use knifeless tape to make a smooth cut, just to give the headlight a different look, because none of this up here has the lights there, and then my turn signals. So I thought I could cover the top and kind of give it a meaner look, and knifeless tape helped out with that. So I also use knifeless tape on these areas because of just how much of a recess it has, and there's no way to really stretch the material that far inside. So I had to use knifeless tape twice, get a cut here, and then I wanted to have a little bit of an overlap. And so on this scenario, knifeless tape came in handy to have a really smooth cut. I'm gonna show a quick demonstration. So it has a sticky, so put that against the surface, and then I'll lay some vinyl on top. So if I was gonna want to make a cut here, and then fold it like that, and then pull back, and then need to hold this here, and then just pull it. It makes a smooth cut. So pretty easy. And so there's this other material that I used on this car. This is the paint protection film. Now on this one I cannot use the knifeless tape, so something like this I gotta be really careful, because I'm cutting over the material. So let's see if we can show it on the camera. So I applied the paint protection film on both doors, just because due to the work involved in removing the mirrors, the panels, I thought this would be a great time to just go ahead and apply the paint protection film. That way I get everything laid in one single piece, since the mirror was already off. I don't know if the camera will be able to catch it, but all the way along the edges I had to cut. And something like this, gotta be really careful not to cut the vinyl, or even worse, cut all the way through the paint. But I found the wrap to be easier, due to the reason that I could use knifeless tape and not risking cutting into the paint. So I am planning on redoing the hood, because I messed up in here and I made a cut. So right now I have an overlap, and so I'll fix this later, or I might just try to make a seam with knifeless tape and see how that turns out. Another one of my panels I had to redo was this one, but I figured it out and it looks great now. So I'll put up a couple more videos on some of the mistakes I had. And so thanks for watching.